What are we really saying yes to? Let's imagine that every day you receive a set of 48 coins, and each coin represents 30 minutes of your time. It's a full 24 hours. Now, how do we spend those coins? Start by removing the coins you use for sleep. Let's say you sleep for 7 hours, that's 14 coins gone. Then take away the coins used for non-negotiables, those fixed responsibilities, getting ready, driving the kids to school, driving to work, work commitments, cooking, admin, exercising. How many coins do you have left? That little handful is all you've got to grow your business, build your dream, nurture your most important relationships, invest in yourself, and do what matters most to you. And yet, those remaining coins often get spent on things we never actually choose. So I'm asking you, are you spending your limited coins on things you truly say yes to, or on the things you never meant to say yes to at all? A yes list should be aligned with your goals. It energizes you. It is connected to relationships that fill your soul. It's moving you closer to the life you say you want. It's doing the things that make you feel proud, peaceful, and purposeful. So what's, in practical terms, what's those things? A walk with your child, reading a book that's been on the shelf for a long time, coffee date with someone that inspires you, working on a project that brings your dream to life, saying yes to a client that matches your values. These are the things that build our future. Our no list should be much longer than our yes list. And our no list should include things like the meeting you resent but keep on accepting, the clients that drain you but pay you enough to justify them, to justify them on the books, social media scrolling, mindless scrolling, people pleasing, the commitment you never wanted, the responsibility you take on for other people, the admin tasks you could delegate but don't, the habits that frustrate you but have become routine. These are the coins you spend out of guilt, out of habit, out of fear, and a lack of boundaries. Every one of these coins is a no to something that matters more. So what is the point of all this? You are not short on time. And I'm talking to myself as well. We are short on conscious choices. We only get 48 coins per day. We can't make more. But we can spend them better. So today, take a moment to look at your yes list and ask yourself, does this uplift me? Does this align with who I want to become? Will this move me forward? And if not, maybe it belongs to your no list. Because every yes is also a no. And every no is a space where a better yes could live. So if you like the content, please like and share the content. And if you've got any more questions, post it in the comments below and I will attend to that or maybe answer your question in the future. And I hope you've got a lovely week.